Follow these steps to fix iPhone stock in restore mode or recovery mode and won't restore. First, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the iPhone boots up normally, recovery mode has been exited successfully. Next, use iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes or Finder. iTunes or Finder should detect the iPhone in recovery mode and show an option to restore or update. Click Update first. If that fails, click Restore. Next, put iPhone into DFU mode. Connect iPhone to computer via USB. Enter DFU mode. Press volume up then volume down. Then hold side button until screen goes black. Hold volume down plus side button for 5 seconds. Then release side button but keep holding volume down. If screen stays black, DFU mode is active. Click Restore iPhone in iTunes or Finder. Lastly, what you can do is use third-party repair tools. If iTunes or Finder does not work, use a repair tool like ReiBoot, Dr.Fone, iPhone Fixo. These tools fix iOS issues without erasing data. Following these steps, you are able to restore iPhone stock in restore mode or recovery mode won't restore issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.